Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get the SSDTs for your Hackintosh. Now I get a lot of comments and questions asking, how do I obtain the SSDTs? It's confusing, I don't really get it, and the reason I don't cover it in my videos is because it's specific to each generation of CPU and it would just take a long time for me to explain it for every single person. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you two methods for obtaining your SSDTs for your Hackintosh. So for SSDTs, go ahead and click on the link in the description that will take you to the SSDT page, which is divided into three sections. The first is for desktop SSDTs, the second is for high-end desktop SSDTs, and the last one is for laptop SSDTs. The SSDTs that you'll need are in the same row as the generation of your CPU. So for example, if I have a 9th generation desktop Coffee Lake refresh chip, then I would need SSDT-plug, SSDT-EC-USB-X, SSDT-AWAC, and SSDT-PMC. Once you've identified which SSDTs that you need, go ahead and open each one in a new tab. Make sure to read the section titled What this SSDT does, as it does have some information for specific systems that need to be specifically configured to your hardware. Now, depending on the SSDT, you will see 2 to 3 options. 2 of the options will always be there. This is pre-built or manual. The third option, which is SSDTTime, is going to be there for some SSDTs, but not all. SSDTTime is a program that compiles SSDTs based on your specific hardware, so you do have to run it on the system that you want to have the SSDTs. Now for each SSDT, you can choose which method you want to use. I like to use a combination of both, so I use SSDTTime wherever I can, and then I use the pre-built version for SSDTs that are not obtainable through SSDTTime. So in that case, why would you ever use SSDTTime, right? Because pre-built versions is going to be a lot easier. You can just simply download it. Well, pre-built versions, they take a lot longer to boot up because they have to encompass all hardware types versus SSDTTime, which compiles an SSDT specific to your hardware. So there is a difference in boot times between the two versions. In order to use SSDTTime, download it from the link in the description and run it. The first thing that we'll want to do is dump our DSDT because SSDTTime builds all of the SSDTs off of this DSDT. Next, we have to choose which SSDT we actually want to compile. Say we're trying to compile SSDT-plug. Well, I would choose SSDTTime from this menu, and the option that we want to select is shown right here. Do note that the numbers on the guide don't always line up with the numbers in SSDTTime, so choose it according to the name of the option. After you've gotten all of your SSDTs, whether it be through pre-built versions or through SSDTTime, move them into your EFI/OC/ACPI folder on your USB stick. If you used SSDTTime, open the results folder in the SSDTTime folder and drag only the .aml files into the EFI/OC/ACPI folder. Moving any other file types will result in an error when you try to boot. And that's all for obtaining your SSDTs. Good luck with your Hackintosh, and don't forget to stay safe.